Hi everyone, this is My Blue and today I'm going to be reacting to Liz Learns Serbian. So I gotta say I know about her, actually I've known about her for quite a while, and I watched some of her videos, actually some of her most famous videos, and I love them. But then before I binge watched everything, I really wanted to react to one of her videos because I really think that her content is different and it's very creative and it's funny and it's something that I think people will find very interesting. So I want to watch a video that is called My Most Embarrassing Mistakes in Serbian. And I want to see what they might be. Personally, I don't know many people around me that are learning Serbian. I do know some people on the internet, but it's not like I speak to them in Serbian and I know which mistakes they make. So this is going to be like a real experience for her, and I really want to see what she's going to say. Oh yeah, and this is her first video, by the way. Okay, let's see.
Jebati. My name is Liz and today I'll be sharing with
you. Okay, first of all, my boyfriend always makes a mistake between jedem and jebem. So I really have to tell him, like, no, I know it's one sound, but the verb is completely different. So, yeah.
March 2020 marked my 1-year anniversary learning Serbian for the very first time. I thought that I'd share some of my most embarrassing mistakes that I made in my second trip to Serbia in December during winter, which was actually a very mild winter.
The fact that she is making an effort to speak only in Serbian when she goes to Serbia is like really good.
Let's go into the video. Broj 1. My boyfriend and I were visiting an old friend, and whilst we were at the bar we met another lovely lady who was also Serbian. At that point I had consumed liquor of sorts. My peak performance in Serbian is definitely whilst I have had a bit to drink. Lucky, a lot of the time I am drunk. We were at the bar.
Okay, she's funny in English and in Serbian.
He was catching up with her and we were chatting and chatting and chatting. At one point in the conversation, she had told me something about her life and potentially a partner or a job that she had left behind. And what I wanted to say was, now you are free. I sad ti si besplatna.
Besplatna.
Oh my god! Yeah. I didn't think of that. Free. Besplatno, like now you are besplatna.
Absolutely correct. Nailed it. When I said that, she looked at me and
oh yeah, I don't think the friend got it. The friend was like, what are you saying? I'm a whore? Like, what?
Sort of a moment's silence. What did I just say? You said, I'm free, as in you're free of charge. That was definitely not what I meant.
Yeah.
What I meant to say was, I sad ti si slobodna.
Yeah.
That was my mistake.
Yeah. Man.
I
didn't really think of that. Free, so obviously in English free has many meanings.
Dalje. Broj 2. My boy.
Oh, I love it. Dalje. I love hearing accents when someone is learning Serbian because I'm not surrounded by it, so.
No, we talk quite a bit on WhatsApp because we live 15,000 kilometers apart. It's a really long way to swim. We were having a chat about which Pokemon I would be. And I said my Pokemon name would be Lizardue.
Lizardue.
My name, Liz, combined with Pikachu. My boyfriend, and he started laughing. What's so funny about Lizardue? You know what Lizardue means, right?
Well, the accent is slightly different, Lizardue, but that's a wrong name for a Pokemon.
No. Lizardue means to lick.
To lick.
Like this, like. But what was great was that Lizardue means I will lick, as in I will lick you in the future.
Yes.
Which is great. I used to go to clubs or bars they ask me, "Kako se zoveš?" Naturally, I go, "Liz." I'll Liz with you. You know, I just wanted to make it very clear how to pronounce my name. It's very loud. There's a lot of noise. You could have heard my name incorrectly. I also lick the air to demonstrate in case you didn't hear me correctly. Maybe I have an accent.
Don't do that.
Broj 3. For some reason, I thought to make this mistake in class. I like to eat. Volim da jedem. But what came out was volim da jeba. My teacher went bright.
That's exactly what I said about my boyfriend.
She was a champ. She kept a very cool composure.
Well, she knows.
And she said, "Daj mi infinitiv." Jebati? Daj mi infinitiv. First person singular, which is jeba. You take away the M, you put in a T, and you get jebati. Daj mi infinitiv. I'm sitting there just like, look,
She's just so confident about it. She's like, you take that out, you add T, and this is the infinitive. Booyakasha. And it's like, no.
I'm giving you what you want. You wanted the infinitive, it's jebati.
I'm giving you what you want.
And then my Canadian friend, he made the point to lower his voice. You know that you're saying, fuck, right? You know when your brain has...
So what? So what if you're saying I like to? I mean...
I have been yelling to I like to at my teacher. And
Nothing wrong with that.
She didn't correct me. She let me correct myself.
Did you?
It's good teaching method. Those are my 3 most cherished mistakes that I've made in Serbian. Potentially there might be a part 2 to this video as I learn more and more Serbian and make more mistakes, and I look forward to sharing those with you as well. Until next time, ciao I laku noć.
It's like, there's gonna be mistakes and you're gonna enjoy them. That's normal, that's normal. I can tell you that I have something very similar with Spanish, so it's fine. It's as long as it's fun. Okay, I'm gonna react to some of her new videos. What I noticed in the newer videos is that she has a better camera, she has a different style of editing, so you can see that she really put an effort and her time into doing these things. And yeah, until next time, and see you in the next video. Pause it up.